Today we're going to learn about line of best fit. Now, here in these examples, we have to determine which line is the best line of fit. In order to determine if a line is a line of best fit, we have to follow three guidelines. The first guideline is to have the same trend as the dots. So the line goes the same direction as the dots are going. If the dots are going upwards, then the line has to go upwards at the same rate. If the dots are going downwards, then the line has to go downwards at the same rate. Now, the number 2 rule is that you have to have the similar number of dots above and below the line. So, for example, if there are 8 dots above the line, then there has to be around 8 dots below the line. And last rule is there has to be dots on the line. Now, this doesn't always have to be true. There could be no dots on the line, and it could still be a valid line of fit. So this does not have to be true, but these 2 rules have to be true. Now let's get started on these problems. The first problem is this. We have 2 lines, line L and line T, and we have to find which line is the line of best fit. Now, line L shows the same trend as the dots, while line T goes the opposite way than the dots. Although it has the same number of dots above and below the line, and it crosses one dot, but it's still not a valid line of fit because it does not follow the same trend as the dots. So the correct line of fit would be line L. So let's write that down. Now, the second example is in graph B. We have 2 lines, line C and line X. Now, let's see if each of them are a line of fit. Now, the first rule says we have to have the same trend. So that means that the line has to go the same trend as the dots are going. In line X, the line is going the same trends as the dot. And in line C, the line is going the same trend as the dots. So both of them follow the first rule. Now the second rule, it has to have the similar number of dots above and below the line. Line C has 8 dots above the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm at 7 lines above the line. And below the line, it has 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it counts to have the similar number of dots above and below the line. Now let's check line X. Line X has 8 dots above the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. While line on the bottom, it has 8 dots below the line too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has the same number of dots above and below the line. So both of them follow rule number 3. And both of them do not have dots on the line. So none of them follow rule number 3, which you don't have to follow. So in this case, you would consider line X and line C to be both good lines of fit because they both follow rules 1 and 2. So let's write that down. Line C and X. Now, in some cases, you have a really big scatter plot, which is like plots that are filled all over. So you can't really tell if any is a good line of fit. In this case, there's no line of fit. Today we learned about line of fit. Thank you for watching this video.